Okay, hi students, everyone. I'm Tufan. Welcome to CMI's digital classes. So now I will show you all how to draw the pictures in TuxPaint as we have learned about the TuxPaint. Okay, so still few of the students have doubts. So let's see how to do. Okay, so first thing, as I told you all that whoever don't have that TuxPaint application, they need to download it. Okay, so for downloading you can use any browser, either Internet Explorer or Chrome, whatever you want. So suppose I am using Chrome, so I will open Chrome this. So after opening the browser, we will type TuxPaint here or TuxPaint download. Okay, so see, it is opening. So this is the official site of TuxPaint. From here download, we will need to click on download. So after clicking on download, it will be download automatically. Here you can see the downloads. Okay, so I have already downloaded, so I am not showing you all further what to do. So after downloading, after clicking here, it will be download and you have to install it. Okay, so if anyone feel any difficulties in downloading, so you can talk to me, you can ask me how to download. Okay, so this is the process, how can we download and how can we install the TuxPaint. Okay, now I am showing you how to open the TuxPaint. Okay, so after installing, automatically one shortcut icon will create here. Either you can double click this also directly to open, but the process is the we need to go to the start button. This is the start button, so you need to click on start button. After clicking on the start button for Windows 7, we have to go to the all program. Okay, so but this is Windows 10 version, so latest version, so you no need to go to the all programs. You have to just scroll down, and here also you can see this is the recently added so applications are there. So as I have added recently this TuxPaint, so that is why this is showing here. So either you can open from this also. Okay, or we have to go, if it is not showing here, then you have to go down and you have to check where the TuxPaint is there. So let's see where the TuxPaint is there. This one. Okay, so this one is the TuxPaint. So after clicking here, you can see the two types of TuxPaint is showing. One is full screen, another is Windows screen. So we can use window size one also, or we can use full screen also. So let's open the full screen on only. Okay, so you have to right click, sorry, you have to left click here. Okay, so after left clicking, see, system is showing busy, that means it is opening. Till then, let's show you the two clicks of mouse. Okay, so see, this is the mouse. Okay, so in mouse we have two buttons. Okay, we used to टेक द माउस लाइक दिस, इस तरह से हम लोग माउस को पकड़ते हैं. सो दिस इज द लेफ्ट बटन एंड दिस इज द राइट बटन. दिस वन, दिस साइड इज द राइट बटन एंड दिस साइड इज द लेफ्ट साइड, लेफ्ट बटन. ओके, एंड दिस इज द मिडिल वन, दिस इज कर्सर. ओके, दिस you can move up and down. Okay, this is the left one and this is the right one. Okay, left right, left right. So you have to click the left button. Okay, not right button, there is very less use of left button. Maximum we used to please keep the use the left button. Okay, this one, this side, this finger. Okay, so see, this is opening. Okay, so TuxPaint is opening. This is the penguin one, which is helping you to pick the colors, brush shape and draw. Wherever you used to keep your mouse or take your mouse pointer, it will tell you, guide you what we can use with this. Okay, so first thing we should take, we need to take a blank one. This is the one of the figure which is drawn already. Whenever you open this, it will come like this new one. Okay, so as I have drawn this one earlier, so that is why this is showing. So whenever you will open this, it will shows blank. Okay, like this one. So this types of blanks the screen it will open. इस तरह का एक ब्लैंक स्क्रीन ओपन होगा. सो सबसे पहला चीज जो हम लोग का है वो है टूल्स और सब टूल्स. ये सारे हम लोग का टूल्स है. ओके, और ये सारे सब टूल्स है. सो दीज ऑल आर टूल्स एंड दीज ऑल आर सब टूल्स. सो यू कैन सी हाउ मेनी टूल्स आर देयर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Total 16 tools are here. Okay, so this is the first thing which you need to understand. Okay, so it should be of 14, but here it is showing 16. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, 8 to a 16. Okay, so in your book two of the are not there. Maybe this two is there. ABC text is there. Okay, whatever the screenshot shown in your book, that may be not updated, but here now you can see these are total 16 are there, but in your book it is given 14, so you can write 14 or 16 also if it is asking in exam. Okay, so it is time to time it updates, so that is why this one may be the updated one. Okay, so first thing, these are the tools that you need to understand, and under these tool, these all are the sub tools. Okay, sub tools, that means browse, and these are the color options. Okay, different colors, whatever the colors you want to choose. Okay, next we have is what, color done, brushes done, and toolbox done. So this is the first window of the TurfSpan, विच आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑल टू डू द होमवर्क. इसी का होमवर्क हम लोग ने बनाने के लिए बोला था, जिसके पास सिस्टम नहीं है इस तरह का एक विंडो बनाने के लिए, इस तरह का एक पेज बनाने के लिए, होम पेज बनाने के लिए. ओके, तो हम लोग ने ये देखा कि किस तरह से ये ओपन होता है. वेलकम स्क्रीन पहले दिखाता है, उसके बाद दिस इज द होम पेज. नाउ वी विल सी हाउ टू यूज द पेन टूल्स. ओके, so first thing, pen tools, how we can use. This is the pen tool. Suppose we are choosing one color, this is the color I am choosing, or any one color, whatever the color you want, you can choose. And suppose I want to draw a scene here of hills. Okay, so up to this side I am drawing. Now I will draw a hill like this, like this. Okay, now like this. Okay, this is the something extra which comes, so I want to erase. Then we have to check where the eraser is. Okay, we have the eraser also. See, here it is eraser, so we can click here, and this is the bigger size which is chosen, so I will take the smaller size. This is also become so much bigger, so this size is, I think, okay. So after left clicking on the area, whatever you want to erase, you can erase that part. Okay, so now again, whatever you want to choose over there, you have to click on the left one, not right one, this one. Okay, this side, not this side. Okay, this one you have to click. So now I have drawn this one. Suppose now I want to draw a sun. So sun, with this it is not possible to draw that circle. So what I will do is I will choose the geometrical shape. So from here you can choose the geometrical shapes. So see, this is the circle one, so this one I am choosing, and here I am drawing this. Okay, so suppose this is the sun I am drawing. Okay, and but color I have taken the same color, so let's check the different color. So for that I can do undo means the back you can go. So let's choose the another color, yellow color I am choosing. Okay, and I am taking with shape. Okay, circle shape only, and suppose here I want to draw. Okay, not here also, slightly up. Okay, this one. Now I want to erase this part. Okay, show eraser, this part I am erasing. This is the square shape of the eraser. You can change the eraser shape also circle also you can choose. Okay, so now this is done as sun. Now I want to draw the linings, so this type of linings I will draw. Okay, so this is the sun which I have drawn. Okay, now suppose I want to draw a river over here in this sides. So I am choosing this color. So whatever the color you want to choose over there, you have to click the लेफ्ट बटन, ओके, ऑफ द माउस. ओके, माउस का लेफ्ट बटन क्लिक करना है और वो कलर चूज करना है. सपोज हमको अब ये बनाना है, रिवर बनाना है कि यहाँ से होते हुए जो है एक रिवर फ्लो हो रहा है. अब ये रिवर जो है ये लाइन चूज किया हुआ है, सो आई विल चूज अगेन द पेंटिंग बिकॉज लाइन इट विल बी स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, so I don't need straight line because I am showing the water following. So suppose water is coming. Okay, and from this side also show this. Okay, so this become the one thing. Now suppose one tools is there which is called Hertz brush shape. So what is the use of Hertz brush shape? The use of this is actually it shows the shadow of something. I mean, it's not shadow, actually it shows that the object is far away from us. ये दिखाता है कि हम लोग को लगता है कि ये जो भी हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे वो काफ़ी दूर है, वो नज़दीक नहीं दिखता है हर्ज टूल का, ठीक है। तो वो हम लोग को कहाँ पे मिलता है हर्ज टूल्स, उसके लिए हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसी टूल्स में, पेन टूल्स में ही आप देखो यहाँ पे दीज ऑल आर द डीप कलर्स, ओके, बट दीज ऑल आर शैडो कलर्स, सी दिस इज शोइंग, दिस इज शोइंग, so it shows that the object is in far away from us. Suppose this one you are choosing, and if you are drawing here, so it will shows that this is far away from us, but this color is not. So let's see, let's check another color, green color I am taking, and let's draw here something like uh, trees types of thing I am drawing, okay. These are the trees, okay. So now the ground one let's draw, okay. Okay, so it is showing that these objects are far away. This one also same hard tools is this, okay. So same thing, but the size, slightly size are varying, sorry, size are different. Now it's time for magic. So next tools which we have is the magic tools. So you can see here, this is pen and this is the magic tools. So here you have to click, so here you have to left click, then we came to the magic tools. So you can see there are lots of magic tools or sub tools are there under the magic tool. So whatever the magic you want to draw, you can draw using that, okay. There are lots of shapes you can find here, okay. So as like suppose I want to draw a house, okay. So for house, suppose I need bricks. Two kinds of bricks are here, small size also, bigger size also. Let's choose this side. Let's choose this shape size, okay. And I want to draw house here, one, okay. And suppose this color also I want something different colors, okay. So let's do this undo, and this bricks also you can choose, and suppose color I need this color, okay. So this is how you can draw the bricks and house of these bricks like this, okay. So this is how you can draw the house using bricks. Just you have to click left click only, okay. Suppose this is the wall. Now you want to draw the triangle, so from where you can draw the triangle, from shapes. So you have to go to the shapes and triangle, and then above this you can draw the triangle ones, okay. But this becomes slightly damaged, displaced, so let's try again. So starting from here I am doing, starting from here middle you have to do, okay. Now suppose I want to fill the color over there, okay. So you can fill the color, or if you are facing problem with this, you can use that lines also, this lines one also. So what will be happen if you draw line, then it will be straight properly, okay. But shadow we have chosen, so let's choose the normal one, this one, okay. So this and this, okay. So you can draw anyhow, and you can use different colors of bricks also. Yeah, I have used here same color, so it is not looking good. So you can use separate colors bricks also. Suppose this color bricks also you want to use, then from magic bricks, after choosing this color you can make few of the color bricks change, okay. Few of the bricks of the color you can change also, few of the color you can keep red also, Okay, this is the mixed color, that is why it is not understandable properly, but you at the time of drawing only you can use the proper color. Okay, so this is the suppose home I have drawn. Now suppose door, I want to draw here one door, so again we'll go to the geometrical sections. Okay, and we'll choose the door one. So for door we can take rectangle. Okay, or there I am not finding any else except rectangle. We can use pentagon also, but rectangle will be better one. So either this or this use. So here suppose I want to make the door, this is becoming slightly up, so slightly up it becomes, so let's draw in down. Okay, no, okay, okay. So this is the supposed door. Color I have chosen red, so that is why it is showing red. You can choose the another color also, whatever the color you want to choose you can choose. Okay, now one more effect is there which we have in magic tools only, that is grass effect. Means using magic effect we can add grass also. जो घास वगैरह होता है ना, वो हम लोग इसी में दे सकते हैं. देखो यहाँ पे आप जाओगे सब टूल्स में, ग्रास में, मैजिक में जाने के बाद ग्रास में जाओगे, देन ग्रास इफेक्ट यू कैन एड फ्रॉम हेयर. सो लेट्स ऐड सम ग्रास ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे कुछ ग्रास हम लोग दे देते हैं इस तरह से. जस्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन लेफ्ट क्लिक करते जाना है, देन लॉट्स ऑफ ग्रास यू कैन ड्रॉ हियर. शी साइड लाइक दिस. ओके, so these are the grass. You can draw this side also. Okay, okay, suppose this side also some of the grass. Then now this is the grass effect. Now suppose you want to fill with the color. Okay, so this hills also and sun also, all the things you suppose you want to fill with the color, then what color you can fill, how you can fill the color. In the magic tools only you can see here the fill option is there, so you have to come to the magic, then fill options, and after clicking fill option you have to choose what color you want to fill with. Suppose I want to color that hills with this color. Okay, or this color, then here you will use like this. Okay, or if you use this color, this color, so whatever color you want to choose you can color like this. Okay, this is the things which I have done after, that is why it is showing like this. Okay, so this drawing I have made later on, that is why it is showing red. Okay, so this is the fill color option. Suppose this one I want with the yellow one, so yellow color field. Now this one suppose I want blue one, so blue one field. Now suppose this one I need okay, red, not blue one, or which color, this orange also you can give. Okay, and then what else, this much done. Now this all suppose I want to fill with the green color, so this is the green color, so like this you have to fill green color. Okay, so this fill the green color. Now this one, this white area you can keep white also, because the color of the sky white also, or you can keep blue also. So this one blue you can use. Okay, so like this. So this become one of the scene of sky is, I mean what called hills, sun is rising, and this river is also there, and home also I have drawn. So you can take your time and draw like this. Okay, there are more features we have in this magic tools only. Okay, using magic tools you can add lots of things, as like this is the only grass we use. We can use what called flowers also. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can scroll down and check, there are lots of things are there. Okay, as like here you can see flowers are also there. So suppose I want to add flowers, so you can keep some flowers here. Okay, so like this you can add some flowers. Okay, just you have to nothing to do, just you have to left click, and you will find lots of options are there. Flower I have drawn. Okay, now one most important thing which we have is the stamp tools. This one, stamp tools. Okay, what is the use of stamp tools? Let's see. This use of stamp tools is you can I mean make the duplicate of something. Okay, duplicate of something means suppose this is one of the sun. Okay, so I want to make the duplicate of sun, so you can make the duplicate of sun. Suppose you have click on stamp, and then uh, see that one we, so we have downloaded this TuxPaint one. This is actually stamp is not there, lots of stamp are not there, so only penguin stamps are there. So what we can do is we can download one another TuxPaint rubber stamp also for optionals. This is, so this one configuration we have download, so we will now download that rubber stamps one also. So after clicking here we can install this one also, you can download this one also. So let's down that TuxPaint's all the whatever the stamps we have is there. Okay, okay, that is not getting downloaded, so I am showing in this only. So suppose I want to draw this one. Okay, this one I have drawn, suppose here. Okay, here suppose I have drawn this one. Okay, now I want to draw a stamp of this. So stamp of this I can draw means this one again. After clicking again, this one I can draw here. Okay, so as much as you want to draw, you can draw this by using stamp. Stamp means the same copy of the particular figure. Okay, now let's see several types of brushes shapes are there. Okay, so as like we have to go to the pen, and suppose now I want to draw a tree. Okay, tree I want to draw. So first what I will draw is, suppose here I want to draw a tree. So first thing, choose this color. Let's see, this is same color is not showing good. So suppose this is the first stem of the tree I am drawing. Okay, now I will draw the leaf of the tree. So leaf of the tree, for the leaf of the tree you can see in the pen tools only here. Okay, if you scroll down there are lots of options there, shapes options and all. So we'll go to the down and you will see the leaf options here. So from here you can draw the leaves here. So this color is not chosen, this was the color which I have chosen. So let's choose the color first. Color green color we will use here. So these are the leaves of the tree. So just as much as click you will do here, that much of leaf will you can draw from this. Okay, so suppose this is how you can draw the tree over here. Okay, now suppose this one you want to fill with the some of the color, so you have to go to the fill color. So fill color, for fill color we'll go to the magic and then fill color, and then we'll fill this with, suppose I want to use this color. Okay, so this is how you can use this fill color in this. See, whatever the area you want to use the color, that first you have to close. Okay, otherwise it will take all the parts. So painting, using paint, I am first closing this. Okay, so now it is leaf selected. So first we have to select this one, then you have to close this. Okay, this one also you have to close, because these are some things come staying here. Okay, now again we'll go to the magic, and then again magic fill options. Now we'll fill this. Okay, so if you are finding difficulties, you can paint also. Okay, you can paint also. So this is the tree I have drawn now. Okay, now suppose there are several shapes are here also. Suppose heart shape you can use different, using different colors. Suppose this color I am using. Okay, suppose here you want to use this one. Okay, you want to use this one with another variety of color. Use the variety of color. Okay, suppose you want to draw here this is not looking good in the sky. So these two also very important, undo and redo. Undo means you can go back, and redo means whatever you have erased, that one again it will come, and undo means it will go back, okay, as it is. If something mistake you do, you can do undo, that will come back. And if you erase something by mistake and you want to want that again, then you want to do redo. Redo means आगे जाना, undo means back, पीछे जाना, okay. So these are the undo and redo, and these are the variety of stars and all you can draw using various colors, okay. So this one, whatever the color you want to choose, okay. So these all about the tools and subtools. Now most important thing is to open or save the file. First you have to save the files. After drawn, I will save the file, okay. Click on save, it will save automatically. So where now you will find that save one, you have to go to the new, okay. When you click on new, it will show you all the new drawing whatever you want to draw. Then go to the back, this one side back, this is open one. Open you have to click on. When you click on open, it will come here. See, this is the picture which I have drawn. You have to click here and you have to click on open if you want to open this, okay. So keep in mind, save is the very necessary. After drawing the figure, you have to save here, clicking here. Then you have to open if you want to open the drawn figures, okay. These are all, this is also one of the most important tools, which is rainbow effect. So let's see this one also. I want to show you all, okay. So for rainbow effect also, we will go to the magic, okay, and we'll scroll down. You can draw that rails line also. See the rails line, suppose you want to draw here, one rail line is going on, so like this you can draw the rail line also, okay. And again rainbow, see this is the rainbow. Two kinds of rainbow you can see. One rainbow is this, another real rainbow is this. So let's see one rainbow. Rain you also can draw. So suppose I am drawing rainbow here, one, okay. So beautiful rainbow is there, okay. So this is the rainbow. Now suppose I want to draw rain also, slightly raining also happening, okay. The color you can choose, okay. Suppose normally the rain's color is slightly this, okay. So where is the rain's magic? Rain colors is I think by default, it is taking by default, okay. So this type like this you can draw lots of thing. Now coming to the save, yes, replace old one, yes, replace. If you can replace the old one also, or you can draw the new one also, as like old one also will be as it is and the new one will be created, ओके पुराना वाला भी रखना है और फिर से नया भी ड्राइंग कर सकते हो, और पुराना वाला को भी रिप्लेस कर सकते हो. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है प्रिंट करना. सपोज आफ्टर ड्राइंग यू वांट टू प्रिंट दिस यूजिंग प्रिंटर, सो विल क्लिक हेयर, यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे. आफ्टर देन दिस ऑप्शंस विल कम, प्रिंट योर पिक्चर नाउ, सो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन येस प्रिंट इट, okay, or no, take it back. If you want to print, you have to click here, yes print it, okay. After then that's all about this. Suppose now you want to quiet this, now you want to close this, so you have to click on quiet, okay. So whenever you will click on quiet, it will ask to pop up here, yes I am done, and no, take me back. So you have to click on yes I am done. Whenever you click on yes I am done, it will close. So that's all about the MS TuxPaint, okay. This is how using TuxPaint you can draw lots of pictures, lots of figure, okay. And if still you have any doubts, you can ask, okay. Thank you.